said the same damn thing. Got niggas paying top dollar to holler. Talking about that pretty brown frame. And I don't mean the Impala, the pictures I proud of. Go on about your business, you must be religious. Got them took her down. And you're tired of hearing those same old songs. And I something new. I know we can't look the same to you. And I something new with me. I don't get on with you. And I something new. I don't pretend to look the same to you. And I something new. All does one. I don't get on with you. Truth is, I came to know ya. Don't give a damn about the things I told ya. They don't have a clue, but they don't meet you like I do. You don't need champagne, you'd rather be held tight and maintained. I wanna know everything about you, something new. We can't look the same. Something new with me. I won't get on with you. Something new. I don't pretend to look the same. Something new. I don't get on with you. It's you. Mine. Wanna be the only one on your mind. And you. Mine. I wanna get the chance to spend some time. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Something new. Something new. Something new. I don't pretend to say new. Something new.
What up? Welcome. Today is Tuesday. I just got done cleaning up. Well, not officially. I gotta still clean my bathroom. I think I'm gonna do that later. But right now I'm about to run to Best Buy. I had to pick up, I had to purchase a storage device. I'm running out of space on my SD cards, on my SSD drive. So I ordered this Seagate hard disk drive so I could just have some space. I think it's like 8 terabytes from Best Buy. Also, I gotta get some food. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's only 10:20, so. But I'm going to go to Best Buy, go to Kroger to get some food, and I think I'm gonna go to Target because I have to get a couple supplies for the house. Man, it's just time to lock in, man. Quarter 4 of the year, and I just realized, man, I need to lock in. I'm about to start school in like a couple of days, so trying to get into cybersecurity. So I'm about to take this associate's class for cybersecurity, and hopefully everything goes well, man. I just need to lock in. I need to focus, grind. Like I said, it's Q4, and now it's the time to lock in. Just left Mississippi, celebrate my son's birthday, so happy birthday to him. He just turned 10, and man, yeah, it's just time to get to it, man. It's time to grind. It's time to stop playing, stop procrastinating, get on my grind. It's time to do what I said I was gonna do, which is get my cyber cert. I've been putting it off for too long, procrastinating. I need to work hard, I need to study, I need to get to it because nothing comes easy and it's hard work. Hard studying, man. Hard trying to stay focused, but I just need to focus. Yeah, man, if you're seeing this, you need to make sure you hold me accountable because I need to get to it, man. So tune in. I don't think I'm finna film none of this like going to the store. It's a quick little run. I gotta hit the gym today. We working on chest today, and my back is just hurting like crazy. Another big thing is I'm about to get my braces off. Just went to my last appointment, and I think everything's looking good. Can't wait to really get them off. I don't even know. It's been so long. It's been a year and a half. We're gonna get them off, hopefully, in December. Anyway, man, let me go get my stuff. Best Buy just sent a confirmation saying I could pick it up, and I need to go to Target and Kroger and get some groceries. Maybe go to Farmers Market, probably get some fruit or something. We'll see if Kroger have anything. If not, I go to the Farmers Market, and that'll be it, man. I'm about to let me get this done, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.